Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I share one of my recipes on how to make catfish pepper soup, popularly known as point and kill here in Nigeria. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to wash the fish properly. I personally take this step very important. The fish was gutted and cleaned for me in the market, but on getting home, I proceeded to wash it further. I try to wash it as many times as possible so as to get rid of the fishy smell and sliminess. And one of the ways in which I do this is washing with lemon. I didn't have lemon available to me today, so I'll be using vinegar. I soak the fish in vinegar water, that is water containing vinegar, for a few minutes, after which I will rinse out the fish as shown in the video. Some people also do this with salt. Just use whatever method necessary to get rid of the sliminess, because that is one of the reasons a lot of people do not enjoy eating catfish. I drained out the water after letting the fish sit in it for a few minutes. Apart from the steps I mentioned in this video, what other methods do you use in getting rid of the fish's smell and sliminess in your fish before cooking? We'd love to learn. Share with us down in the comments section. Now this brings us to the last step of washing my fish. I soak it in hot water, not boiling hot water, but hot water that is hot enough. Now this helps to get rid of sliminess and also to firm the fish. This step prevents the fish from breaking up when it gets into the pot or when it starts cooking. So I'm done with that. After adding the hot water, I let it sit in it for about 2 minutes and then I drained out the water. I want to rinse it one last time before I start cooking. Before I continue, I want to welcome all my new subscribers and new viewers. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means so much to me. You're already here. Please take a moment, hit on the subscribe button to be a part of us. You're going to love it here. Turn on post notification while at it to be notified of new videos. So this is what I'm talking about. Can you tell how firm the fish looks from the video? This is what you achieve if you soak it in hot water. Now we are done with preparing the fish. Let's move on to the next step. What I have here is called ehuru in Igbo language. In English, it's called calabash nutmeg. This is a local spice that adds a very rich flavor to local dishes, and pepper soup is one of the local dishes. I just added the nutmeg into my pan and I toasted it for a few minutes. That is to help activate the flavor and the aroma. The next ingredient I have here is my scent leaf. This is my vegetable of choice for this pepper soup recipe. I've washed it properly off camera and I'm in the process of chopping it. If you don't like to use scent leaf, you can also use otazi, or you can use a combination of otazi and scent leaf, which is a very nice combo. The recipe I'm about to share with you is straightforward and I've gone ahead to prepare my ingredients before I start cooking. I'll introduce you to the ingredients. So starting off strong is my catfish, nicely gutted, properly washed, and it's looking squeaky clean. This obviously is the main ingredient for today's recipe. Here I have my pepper. This is Scotch bonnet pepper, aka atarodo, and this is spicy. We are making pepper soup. Of course, it has to be spicy, but like I always say in most of my videos, always use as much pepper as you can tolerate. Here I have my onions, nicely chopped, and this is a lot of onions. I love using a lot of onions for my pepper soup. You can use more or less depending on how you like it. This is a combination of crayfish and ehuru, the local spice I toasted earlier. I blended both of them together. And beside it is the pepper soup spice I got from the local market. Over here is my scent leaf, nicely chopped. Now that you're familiar with all the ingredients, let's cook. I brought a pot of water to a boil. This is not exactly a pot of water, but I brought some water to a boil. And to this, I'll go in with all my ingredients except for my vegetable. I've just added my onions, I'm adding my pepper. I'll add in all the ingredients in no particular order. Here is a big shout out to all my amazing and returning subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for sharing my videos. I see the comments you leave me after watching and I'm truly grateful. You guys are the absolute best and I love you all so much. Please take a moment to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Thank you. After adding all the ingredients, I stirred properly to combine. I'll cover my pot and allow this to cook. I forgot to add one ingredient, which is lasso pepper soup spice. I'll go ahead to add this in, stir gently, and continue to cook. It already smells like I'm making pepper soup inside my kitchen, and this is because I've added almost all the ingredients. So once added, I'll stir gently, cover, and continue to cook. After about 5 minutes, this is what we have, and it's time for me to add my catfish. So I'll proceed to add the catfish gently. Just give it a gentle stir so it doesn't break. Cover, and I'll continue to cook. For short videos, kindly check out my YouTube shorts. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and the handle to search for is A.K.A on all platforms. It won't be difficult for you to find my pages, so please do me a favor. After watching this video, check out my other pages, watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, leave me comments. Let me know the kind of videos you like to see on my pages and channel. Thank you. I added more pepper because it's not pepper soup if it's not spicy. Covered my pot and I continued cooking. After about 10 minutes, this is what our pepper soup is looking like. This is absolutely mouth-watering. I added my scent leaf and I continued cooking. Once I've added scent leaf, I just let it simmer for a minute or two and then I serve. Kindly share your thoughts on what you think about this pepper soup recipe in the comment section. I would love to read what you think. Share with us in the comment section. If you enjoy watching vlogs, kindly check out my vlog channel. The name of the vlog channel is I am A.K.A, and I post lifestyle vlogs. I post very engaging and entertaining vlogs. So if you enjoy watching vlogs, kindly check out my vlog channel. You're going to love it. After about 2 minutes, this is what our pepper soup is looking like, and oh my, it smells amazing inside my kitchen. Food is ready and it's time to serve. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Kindly like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your family and friends. Leave me your comments in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you all for stopping by, and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.